I never took before. All the way up on the highest mountain, I found a place where I can drop the old view. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. The sparkle and the diamond and the sudden sunset. Oh, oh, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I'd going on. Oh, oh, I didn't know it could be that strong. Just let it go and carry on.
Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head, wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. Some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on see the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely. On a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the